Welcome back to WorldwideGiantGrowers.com. I have today here Jack. Jack's Kids Club. What do we got, Macy?
We got some dirt.
You got dirt? What we're doing here is mixing the water in. Macy, we're adding the water to the soil starter, mixing it up. Now go ahead, mix it all up, guys. We're getting moisture in the seed starter. Jack and Macy, my little helpers. Grandma ran to the store, so she doesn't know we're going to spill dirt all over the carpet. We won't tell her till she gets back, right, Jack? All right, so what we got, the pumpkin seeds are soaking in the glass. Been soaking for about an hour and a half. Get some moisture to them. And what we found out was the best way to recycle is don't use it. We're going to reuse Mark's Mixes jar. If you see, this is linked. I'm going to link this to my other video, free moisture meter with every purchase, which we use the jar for a moisture meter in the soil. You can check that out. But for now, what we're doing here, I cut the bottoms off the jars and I screwed the lid back on. We drilled some holes in it. This is the perfect plant starting container. We're starting these on today's May 9th. Jack's packing them full now. Good job, Jack. Let's get her completely full though. Pack her completely full. And then what we'll do, okay, nice job. Bring it up here. Yep. Don't tell Grandma. All right, that'll vacuum right up with a good vacuum, right, Macy? Right, little Miss Det? Come on, tell them, Macy. Then we have the seeds. They've been soaking for an hour and a half. This is a giant pumpkin seed, and it will easily grow. These are the 1177 genetics. Now, Jack, you put it in what? Point down, right, Jack? Show him, put it point down. He stuck it right in there. Just put a little dirt over it. No, that's too deep, buddy. Pull it back up. That's way too deep. We got to keep it. You want to put them just below the surface. Put them in there, and just below the surface, just barely cover them. That's all you need. When it pops a root, it will pop up. We're going to take all these. We have several jars. If you're in the local area and you would like to grow a pumpkin this year, contact us and stay tuned for our future videos. Jack and the 7 sons are going to grow. Jack's got 7 teenage boys here locally in town with their father, Jason, who want to grow giant pumpkins. So we're going to make some videos this summer. But hey, here you go, folks. Here's how you start them. You don't have to have a heating pad. These seeds will germinate at room temperature, 70 degrees, very well. You just want your soil to have just enough moisture in it. Show them, Jack. Just a ball up and stick together. Right, Jack?
Yep.
Jack's packing them now. We better get them filled before Mama Bubba gets home. All right? All right, man. Keep them growing. And hey, check out the other video, free moisture meter with every purchase. You also get the best way to recycle, free planting container with every purchase at Mark's Mixes and WorldwideGiantGrowers.com. We'll talk to you soon, man. Stay tuned for further videos coming soon. Say bye, guys.
Bye, guys. Bye, guys.
All right, see ya.